Quarter 5 pounder. Quarter 5 pounder. Quarter 5 pounder.
Nice and easy, nice and easy.
Oh my god! Yo.
Hold it up, dude.
Yo.
Show the camera, show the camera. So boys, welcome back to another Trinity fishing video. Today I'm fishing with Gannon over there. We're fishing in this, not really a lake, it's a little secret spot, but it's really weedy. And we came out yesterday and I got some good clips. It'll be a 2-day thing. Gannon caught a really nice bass, which you'll see later on the video. Stay tuned.
I'm just casting. Got one, Kurt, got one. Oh, it's a dink, it's a dink. Instantly though.
Boys, Gannon's hooked up.
Let's go, boys.
Gannon's on the board for his first big fish of the day.
Nice 1 pounder. There.
Yeah, boys, Gannon are both fishing swim jigs. Pretty mint. We should have brought a bluegill rod. I'm getting thumbed. Got one, I got one. Doubled.
No.
I still got mine.
Absolutely.
Hey, net fish, net. Probably a pounder.
You got it?
Yep.
Hey, dude, I got absolutely smoked. We got an anchor here. Dude, Carter, how did I just miss that fish, dude? It was odd. I saw its back.
Boys, we are hooked up. Not a bad largie. Let's get a release on her. Fish?
Yep. What the frick?
Boys, getting hooked up.
Oh, stocky little bastard.
Getting his 3rd fish of the day. I'm at 2 fish, but my one didn't get on camera.
2nd biggest fish of the day. He's a nice fish.
Get the release on him.
Sick.
Oh my god. Pike.
Net?
Yep, it's a small one.
Let's go net. Bring him here, buddy.
Small little guy, boys. Oh, the pliers.
Oh, I thought I threw those out. So, here, I got them.
Well, boys.
Hey, you got them off. So cool.
Not a bad little pike. He's pretty small, though.
Oh, quarter 5 pounder. Quarter 5 pounder. Quarter 5 pounder.
Nice and easy, nice and easy. Oh my god.
What? Oh,
Hold up the...
oh my god. Carter, that's a 5 pounder. Oh, Carter. Oh my god.
I got on video, too. Oh my
Right at
god.
the boat. Oh my god. Yo.
Hold it up, dude.
Yo.
Show the camera, show the
Take a picture
camera.
on my phone. Boys.
Up and down. Money, dude. Here, let's get a length on her.
Get a release on my phone, too.
Yep.
A video.
Get a length on her quick.
Only a 19.
But still, that's a toad.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
4.5 pounder.
4.5.
4.5.
There she goes.
Let's go, dude. Let's go.
Let's go, that's hype. Oh my god, come look at this motor, Gannon.
You should be able to just reach down.
That's what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna clean it. Can you see the clops I'm pulling off?
Yeah, I can. Not shields, but I couldn't find them.
No, they're hard to come. Got one.
Oh,
It's a toad. Trolling motor over there.
hold on.
Again, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Relax. You're good, dude. You're good. Relax. If you need to, loosen the drag, 'cause it's really tight.
Is he big or am I freaking out?
You're just freaking out.
I mean, actually,
Yeah.
he felt good.
Not bad.
Oh.
Nice, Cardi. Hey, we're tied up.
Oh, I guess Cardi was freaking out. But not a bad fish, boys. I was definitely freaking out. It's because I'm fishing a six foot medium rod.
Soft tip.
But get a release on him. There he goes.
Oh, dude, you are right. They do feel giant on this.
Gan's hooked up, boys. Not a bad little fish.
Slinky worm.
Okay.
We are on the board, boys. There we go, boys.